Is OPEC concerned on the Delta variant where they will reforecast the consumption?
Yes. That is one reason why OPEC have not been so aggressive in relaxing their quota restrictions among their member countries, right? They are actually very cognizant of the fact that demand is still a bit shaky because of the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, right? And that's why I think Saudi Arabia has actually taken a more conservative stance compared to UAE. But again, oil price is naturally inherently volatile, right? And as I mentioned earlier, there is actually still a deficit in terms of global demand, about 4 to 5 million barrels currently, right? Which can be easily resolved by just OPEC turning on the tap, right? They have about 5 to 6 million barrels per day of capacity, which they can just turn on, and they have to be very careful about how they turn on that tap. If they turn on the tap just like that, you can lead to oil price dropping below 60 US dollars per barrel, right? So they are actually being very careful, and actually Saudi Arabia needs oil price to be around 80 US dollars per barrel in order to break even their budget. And the fact that Aramco is actually currently listed, right, and they have to pay dividends, right, which they have actually guaranteed to their investors, right, and that dividend that they're paying is every year they're paying is actually 3 times what they have the money that they actually receive from the IPO itself, right? So they need higher oil prices, which is why Saudi Arabia has been very conservative in raising their production levels.